Laboratory network project, we collect samples from remote areas at the facilities, bring them here at our lab. We do the test here, but there are some that we refer to Mbita and all the way to Kisumu. This project ensures that patients get their results within the shortest time possible, what we call the test turnaround time.
Before, the turnaround time for results was taking too long. EID-PCR, which used to take around months, nowadays takes 10 to 11 days. Viral load used to take weeks, if not months. Now it takes like 3 days at most. The lab networking system has been enhanced through the motorbike riders.
I cover 42 kilometers on a daily basis, take results to the sites, and as well deliver the requested commodities to the sites.
These facilities, we realize that they're far and sometimes it's challenging for clients to have their specimen reach Mbita. The samples are collected in the nearest facilities, then the riders move in daily to collect these samples and deliver them.
When results reach the patients early enough, early clinical decisions are able to be made and patients are able to get their services at the right time.
The major success we've had is to bridge the gap along the line of network. So continuously receiving samples enable us to have a system or a way of correcting the gaps, such that if you have inappropriate samples, you do a communication with the facility collecting the samples and they do correct that. Before, there was no defined responsibility or tasks in terms of sample networking. It was any of the facility staffs who would be requested to send the samples to the hub lab. And therefore, if there were challenges or there were mistakes, it was difficult to keep track. But now you realize we have specific persons dealing with samples at the facility, at the hub, and in the networking. So if I compare back then and now it is easier to keep track of what samples are coming from what facilities to the hub lab until the tests do come back and they're delivered back to their client.
It enables us to ensure that patients are given adequate services at the right time. So patients don't wait for long to get the services.